If you're currently holding an iPad Pro or even the recent Galaxy Tab S11, I have some news that might make you want to put it down. The first real leaks for the 2026 Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra have just hit the surface, and they aren't just minor spec bumps. We are looking at a complete architectural shift. Samsung is moving away from the big tablet philosophy and moving toward a true laptop replacement with a chassis made of grade 5 titanium and a display that, wait for it, finally removes the notch. Welcome back to Tech Vibe. Today, we're doing a deep dive into the beast that is set to redefine the premium market in the US and Europe. If you want to know why this might be the first tablet in history to actually kill the laptop, stick around, because the benchmarks we're seeing for the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 are, quite frankly, terrifying. For years, Samsung has dominated the Android space, but they've always been one step behind Apple's M-series silicon. That ends in 2026. According to the latest supply chain reports, the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is ditching the traditional aluminum frame for a brushed titanium build. This isn't just for aesthetics, it's about weight distribution. When you have a 14.6-inch screen, every gram matters. But the real headline is the display. We've endured the notch since the S8 Ultra, but the S12 Ultra is rumored to debut Samsung's most advanced under-display camera technology yet. Imagine a 14.6-inch Tandem OLED panel with absolutely zero interruptions. No notch, no punch hole, just pure 4K resolution at a staggering 2,800 nits of peak brightness. Whether you're a creator in London or a pro user in New York, this is the outdoor visibility we've been begging for. Now, let's talk about the brain of this machine. The Tab S11 gave us a taste of power, but the S12 Ultra is stepping into a different dimension with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2. This chip is being built on a refined 3nm process specifically optimized for neural DeX. If you haven't heard of neural DeX, it's Samsung's 2026 evolution of their desktop mode. It's no longer just windowed Android apps. It uses on-device AI to predict your workflow, managing 24 GB of LPDDR6 RAM to ensure that even if you're editing 8K video while running 20 Chrome tabs, there is zero thermal throttling. This is the vibe we've been waiting for, a tablet that doesn't just feel like a big phone, but a workstation that fits in your backpack. But performance is nothing without the right tools. The S Pen is getting its biggest upgrade in half a decade. Meet the S Pen Pro 3. The leaks suggest it will feature active haptic feedback. This means when you're drawing with a pencil tool, you'll actually feel the grit of paper through the stylus. When you switch to a fountain pen, the resistance changes. It's these tactile details that target the high-end creative market in North America and the UK, where the iPad has traditionally held a monopoly. Combine this with the new liquid cooling 2.0 system inside the Tab S12 Ultra, and you have a device that can sustain peak gaming and rendering performance for hours, not minutes. Speaking of sustainability, let's talk about the battery. Samsung is reportedly pushing the envelope with a 12,000 mAh dual-cell battery. But the real kicker? 65W fast charging is finally on the table. For a long time, Samsung stayed safe at 45W, but to compete with the high-speed demands of 2026, they're finally uncapping the speeds. You'll be able to juice this massive slab from 0 to 60% in about 30 minutes. For the digital nomads watching this, that's a game changer. You can hit a coffee shop in San Francisco, plug in for one espresso's worth of time, and have enough power to last a flight across the Atlantic. We also have to address the elephant in the room, the software. One UI 8.5 is expected to ship with the S12 Ultra, and it's leaning heavily into Galaxy AI 3.0. We're talking about real-time, system-wide video translation that works in third-party apps like Zoom or Teams without any lag. We're talking about Creative Canvas, an AI-assisted drawing mode that can take a rough sketch and render it into a high-fidelity vector file in seconds. This isn't just tech for the sake of tech, it's utility that justifies the Ultra price tag. And what will that price tag be? In the US market, expect the base model with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage to start around $1,199. However, for the power users looking at that 24 GB RAM and 1 TB storage tier, you might be looking at closer to $1,600. It's a premium price for a premium audience, but when you consider it replaces a MacBook Pro and an iPad simultaneously, the math starts to make sense. As we look toward the release date, all signs point to a late Q3 or early Q4 2026 launch. Samsung wants to go head-to-head with the holiday season, positioning the Tab S12 Ultra as the must-have productivity tool of the year. The question isn't whether it will be powerful, we know it will be. The question is, has Samsung finally done enough to make you switch? With a notch-less 4K Tandem OLED, a titanium frame, and the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, the tech vibe is definitely leaning toward a yes. If you've made it this far, you're clearly as obsessed with the future of tech as we are. The Tab S12 Ultra represents a turning point where the tablet finally stops being a secondary device and becomes the primary one. It's thinner, faster, and smarter than anything we've seen in the Android ecosystem. But I want to hear from you. Is the removal of the notch enough to make you upgrade, or are you waiting for Apple's next move? Drop a comment below. I read every single one of them, and your feedback helps shape our next deep dive. Before you go, if you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button. It really helps the channel reach more tech enthusiasts like yourself. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Tech Vibe and turn on those notifications. We're tracking every single leak leading up to the S12 launch, and you don't want to miss our exclusive hands-on coming later this year. Thanks for watching, stay ahead of the curve, and I'll catch you in the next one.